Hello, and what is EEforEveryone? EEforEveryone is something that I started not because I had too much free time, but because once I had the idea, I couldn't stop relentlessly pursuing it. I have been gathering tools for what feels like my entire life, building skills both through academia and by creating projects that challenge me. It all started with perfboard and through-hole components, and that's where beginner hobbyist electronics projects have stayed for a long time. Until now. We are going to build something great together. We are going to learn together. Welcome to EEforEveryone.